Hello everybody, how are we doing today? I hope we're doing well. It's been a while since I posted my last video, but I was away for a while, but I'm back now. And as you guys can see from the title, today I'm going to challenge myself to do mobile photography. But the twist is, it's just a cheap phone. You know, it's a 10-year-old phone at that. It's this Samsung Galaxy S3 Mini. Yes, S3 Mini. As I said, this is a 10-year-old phone and the camera on this is horrible. It's a whopping 5 megapixel. Can't pick where the focus is. You can't set the exposure. It's just tap and shoot. So I'm going to be going out challenging myself to see what kind of images I can get with this. I did try something special and I'll show you guys at the end. So stick around to see what that surprise is. Before we get into the video, I'm curious to know what kind of phone you guys have. You're trying to do photography with, but you have excuses saying, oh, it's not good enough, it's not a professional camera. Just let me know in the comments below. Again, I'm using an S3 Mini right here, and you guys will see the results. So just let me know what camera you guys are using. I would like to apologize in advance. I did shoot this video outside. However, there was some technical difficulties with the audio. So you will see the video of me shooting outside. However, I'll be doing a voiceover. Now onto the video. So here I am outside. So the first picture that I will be taking a photo of is this beautiful scenery behind me. You can see the sun hitting the rocks beautifully, and you can also see some shadow right there. So that adds for a little bit of contrast. Ooh, look at the waves. Yeah, so that adds for a little bit of contrast, and hopefully I can get a really good image. So what I'm really trying to do right now is just trying to get the perfect angles, because with a low quality camera, I just want to try and get the best composition, because that's really all there is to it. I can't manually change the exposure, the focus or anything. I just have to point and shoot. So hopefully I get a really good image. And I remember at this moment I was checking out the image and it was horrible. I could barely see as well because of the glare and the sunlight. It was really horrible and I couldn't see anything. So I'll have the image here on screen. You guys can tell me what you think down in the comments below. Hopefully you like it. I think this first image turned out to be pretty good considering the circumstances. So tell me what you think down in the comments while you're down there. If you're liking the video so far, hit the like button. And if you want to see more of my content, you can press the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Okay. So it really pays to look when you're out shooting, because right where I was standing, just a bit lower, we had some really colorful shrubs or bushes, whatever you might call it. And I'm just here trying to get as close as possible. Again, I really can't change the focus, so I'm just trying to get the angles, trying to go closer, further, trying a higher angle, a lower angle, just to see if I can get the best possible image. And again, I'll have this image right here above. Again, let me know what you think. Okay. Oh god damn it, where's my charger? I did try to use like the grass or these bushes as foreground elements to take an image of the ocean, but seeing that I could not manually select the focus, it did not turn out as good as possible. But I like to keep it real because it is a challenge, so I don't want to show only the good. So I will show you guys the results of this right here on screen. See, they aren't as good, they aren't any good at all, but I just want to show you that not every time you'll get the perfect image, but just keep looking and keep shooting. Okay, so for this next clip, I saw some really nice shells on this one. I'm not sure if they're crabs or snails or what, but I thought they would look really nice. We know to test the close-up shots. We don't have macro on this phone, unfortunately, so we're just trying to see how well we can do. So you see me getting really low because you don't want to stay from up high because it wouldn't look as pleasing. So I'm trying to get as low and as close as possible to see what I can get. Right there you see me using the grass to put some foreground element into it because it adds interest to the image. I couldn't, manually focus on the shell, so I have it sharp, have the grass blurred, but I tried my best to make it a pleasing image. I don't know if you guys can see right there, but it takes really long for the shutter to actually take the image. So I have the image of this on screen right now. So for this next image, I have my cousin standing in for me as a temporary model. I wanted to see how well it would do with people and other elements in the photograph. So what I really wanted was to get, you know, those really nice crisp reflection shots you see on Instagram. So I was trying to get as low as possible, you know, really close to the water without dropping it in the water, of course, because S3 Mini, definitely not waterproof. So here I'm just trying to get as close as possible, trying different angles, you know, trying to direct him, give him different poses, you know. He's a natural, but we're just working on it. I did ask him to try and move the water to see if we could get photos of the ripples. That was me asking for way too much, because with this camera the ripple will definitely not be in the image, but it can't hurt to try. Here I am just moving around, you know, trying to get different angles, because you won't always get it on the first shot. So just try to, you know, try different angles, try to get the best composition as possible, because when you have limited equipment, your skills is what will give you a really good and compelling image. I'll have this image again on screen right here. Okay. So remember how I said earlier that always look around, you know, see what's going on around you when you're out taking photos, because you never know what you might see. Right after taking that reflection shot, I saw this beautiful sunset with the trees and everything. And the first thing that came to mind was this could be a beautiful silhouette image. I pushed my luck right here again because I couldn't adjust the exposure to get it dark. So I was just here kind of tilting the phone to see if I could get it dark, to get that really nice juicy silhouette image, you know. Trees all blacked out with a colorful sunset. It didn't work out as planned. I tried to fix some of it in editing, but you know, this is the result right here. You guys can tell me what you think about it. Did I get it? Did I not? How much out of 10? Let me know in the comments below.
Funny enough, I don't have any footage of me actually taking this photo because I saw this opportunity after I finished packing up everything and was about to leave. But there was no way I was going to leave and not take it. And this ended up being one of my favorite shots.
Okay guys, so as promised, I said in the beginning that I have a surprise at the end. So what I did, I used this phone, yes, the same one I used to take the pictures, to shoot some B-roll. If you guys don't know what B-roll is, it's kind of secondary footage, but right now it's mainly cinematic sequences. My first video on YouTube, I'll put a card somewhere here, is a cinematic sequence that I shot on, where is it? This iPhone 12 Pro Max, but I attempted B-roll on this, the S3 Mini. So I shall be putting that up here, and you guys tell me what you think about it. Leave a comment down below, let me know if it's good, bad, or what. Let me know. Yeah, so there you guys have it. You have seen the B-roll that I shot on this prehistoric phone right here. Please let me know what you think. I think for an S3 Mini, a 10-year-old phone with barely any megapixels, it did a pretty good job. So whatever phone you guys have, use it to try and take pictures, take videos. Don't be afraid to go out and shoot. Don't say that, oh, I don't have proper equipment, I can't do it because this, because that, because as you guys seen from the video, I use this, so you guys can use anything you want. Thank you for watching. Again, if you like the video, press the like button, leave a comment. If you want to see more of my content, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to know whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.